There, a meal fit for a Pooh Bear. I do hope he likes the best friend lunch I'm giving him. After all, he is my best friend. Perfect. Nothing can go wrong now. Piglet, stay calm. There's no reason to panic over one little... Oh, dear. Now there is a reason to panic.
Oh, I do enjoy best friend lunches. Especially the part where you ask for seconds. Excuse me, Tommy, but was that you who just went? Oh, I suppose not. Hello, Piglet. I brought you a best friend present. It's honey, because that's your best friend's favorite food. Why, you're very welcome, I'm sure.
Pooh, I have the...
Oh, I love games. Hiccup, hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup,
I'm not
hiccup.
playing the...
I believe you win, Piglet. Now can we eat?
Pooh, I've got the...
For me? Why, thank you. There. That's better. Oh, my. I like it very much, Piglet. Is it a picture of me? Why didn't you say so? I'm hungry, too. Oh, and don't forget the best friend gift. Best friend. Oh, my. Piglet doesn't seem at all in a luncheony mood. And my best friend gift isn't to his liking. But who? Maybe I offended him. Perhaps it's better for me to leave. And goodbye to you, too, Piglet.
Pooh, please don't... Oh, Oh, my. The hiccups are gone. Good. Now I can apologize to Pooh and ask him back for lunch.
Oh, how extraordinary. An unidentified bouncing piglet.
I'm sorry, Tigger, but I got the...
Hey, buddy boy, did you know you got the hiccup link? Oh, but don't fret, small fry. I'll get rid of him for you, or my name ain't, whatever it is, my name ain't. Now, the best way to get rid of hiccup links is by drinking lots of water. Hiccup links is a crummy swimmer, do you know?
If you'll excuse me, Tigger, I must go find...
I think they already found you, buddy boy. See? I told you it would work.
Oh, worry not, dear friend. My great-great-great-uncle Ebenezer, on my mother's side, had a surefire cure for the hiccups. It's really quite simple. If the hiccups can't hiccup, then they'll have to hic down.
You can't argue with logisticals like that.
Owl...
Yes, Piglet? I say, Tigger, this is no good.
Maybe not, but you have to admit, the little guy sure makes a dandy pogo stick. It's terrifical! It's fantastical! It's... what is it?
It's a hiccup trap, of course.
Yeah, and it looks like a pretty good one at that.
But before we can capture them, we must first trick the hiccups out. Now, you lie down and pretend to be asleep.
Then, will you let me find...
Anything you say, Piglet, whatever that is.
Now, go ahead and make some snoozing noises. I sure hope we bag our limit.
Hooray! We caught a hiccup!
If you didn't want me to eat the cake, why'd you leave it lying around?
Hey, how about that? Them hiccupflings look a lot like Eeyores.
There was something very unusual about Piglet today. Although I can't quite put my finger on it. Perhaps he wasn't feeling well. Maybe I should bring him a feeling better gift. But what does one give a piglet who has everything? I know. Honey.
This is a surefire way to cure you, Piglet. Why, all we gotta do is frighten them out. Why, deep down, all hiccupflings are cowardly little scaredy cats.
But so am I. Oh, dear.
Boy, oh boy, this is gonna be great. Oh, what kind of stumpity-bumpity are you? Well, that couldn't even scare a piglet. You want to sound convincing? Try to put some more ooze in your ooze. Oh, Piglet's hiccups won't know what hit them.
Yes, a jar of honey is the perfect friendly gift. It always makes me feel perfectly friendly. Oh, bother. Friendliness doesn't go as far as it used to. Empty again. Oof. Oh, bother.
You guys ready?
Oh, Owl, watch where you're stepping.
Oh, dreadfully sorry.
What was that?
It's the real stumpity-bumpity.
Run for your lives!
Yeah, it's after us.
Oh, dear. It's so quiet. Help!
Hello, Piglet.
Oh, Pooh, you saved me.
I did.
And you got rid of my hiccups.
Oh, so that's what was wrong. You had the hiccups. Why didn't you say so?
I couldn't. I had the hiccups.
When?
When I wasn't saying so.
Oh, well, now that that's settled, why don't we have our friendship lunch?
But it's after dinner, Pooh.
Don't worry, Piglet. We can have a friendship dinner, too.
I can't take another step. You'd better go on without me. Save yourselves.
Sounds good to me, Long Ears. Let's go, Owl.
I'm sorry, Tigger, but I'm a noble animal. I can't leave Rabbit. I will stay too.
Okay by me, Buddy Bird. Well, ta-ta for now. No, I couldn't stay away and leave my bestest friends for dessert. We'll just have to face that stumpity-bumpity together. What am I saying?
Oh, dear. It's getting closer.
Yeah, and it's got noisy feet.
It's come to get us.
Goodbye, Rabbit.
Goodbye, Owl.
Goodbye, Tigger.
Hello, Rabbit. Hello, Owl. Hello, Tigger.
Hey, either we made a boo-boo or them spookables look like Buddy Bear and Piglet.
I say, Piglet, what happened to your hiccups?
My very best friend Pooh got rid of them when he saved my life.
Oh, wonderful. Splendid job.
Good old Pooh Boy. Wait, if them hiccupflings are gone from Piglet, then where did they go? Uh-oh.
Oh, my.
Well, oh.
Whatever shall we do?
Don't worry. I know the best ways to get rid of hiccups. First, water. Hiccups are crummy swimmers, you know.
Oh, no.